Okay, today we're going to show the advanced options in Outlook Integrator by OIR1 software. This is the advanced options window. The other window was the settings window that we covered in previous videos. The top option here is when recording histories include user records. By default, ACT does not record histories sent via email to user records. We have that ability. Just click the box. It'll include the user records as well. We can also, again, when recording histories, we can record against linked companies. And also when searching through email address or record specific contacts, or with our new feature, send to specific contacts, we can search for the secondary contacts in your database. The little confirmation notice is a little flag that shows up in the lower right-hand corner, basically where all of your other, down here, where all of your other notices and pop-ups come up, just letting you know that the history has recorded. You can add header to the details when you record histories. The prompt email addresses when recording histories to manually selected records. The major time you're going to see that is after you send an email and it can't find that user, the contact by its email address in your database. You can select a pre-existing contact in that dialog box, and if the contact has changed their email address, you can update it at that point. Again, it's a checkbox. If you don't want to get that prompt to update the email addresses, just uncheck it. Use alternate sending method is only necessary if you have problems with the normal send to ACT button pre-built into OIR1. Add record specific records to toolbars. That button shows up in a new message or a reply message in the window on the toolbar. And then to display the most recently used records, that's a new feature. Those new records will come up if you're either using the record specific records functionality or the new send to ACT, or not send to ACT, sorry, send to specific records functionality when creating a new email. Exclude certain domains from recorded histories. This is only used if you have certain domains or certain senders or you're sending to that you never want to record histories for ever. Check the box and then put the domain name in. Both ways here, the made-up domain or the @made-up domain, are good. They're both ways. They both function the same way. They're both acceptable ways to put the domains in the field. And then you can set up default activity options when running recording an activity as well using OIR1. As always, follow us on Facebook at OIR1 Software, or like us on Facebook at OIR1 Software, and follow us on Twitter at OIR1 LLC. Thank you.